The food you feed your livestock is almost always the most expensive part of owning them. But what if I told you you could save money on free feeding hay by making your own and not needing a huge hay field or all that big equipment? All you really need is a yard and a lawnmower. That's right. I'm talking about grass clippings, and I'm gonna show you how to cut it, dry it, and test it on the animals to see if they'll eat it. To do that, we're gonna use this cool push-along mower with this baggie on the end of it to collect all the grass. But first, we have to start it. And after not being used all winter, our trusty push-along mower was not starting. But we weren't gonna let this hindrance stop us from making free hay. So we got out the big mower, which my brother will ride along on and cut all the grass with. The grass is then dispensed out of the side of the mower, and that's where I come in. I will be collecting the grass clippings with this. Yeah, a rake. Okay, you probably think I'm a complete nut for trying this out. And I will admit on a larger scale farm that this method of making free hay probably won't help out your feed costs that much. But for you smaller scale and hobby farmers, mowing your lawn and collecting it and feeding it to your animals just makes sense. So with that in mind for you smaller hobbyist farmers, I kept raking. After raking and collecting all the grass that we cut, you can just go ahead and feed that to your animals. That's the whole point. But if you wanted to save it for later, let's say in the winter months, there is something that you can do. You have to dry out the grass clippings for it to become hay, which you can store. But since it was very windy that day, I didn't want to put the grass outside where it could just blow away. So I spread it out evenly on the floor of our barn to dry. And after one day of setting, I came out to see how it was doing. It's starting to feel a little bit drier, but you could tell it's kind of wet. It feels wet underneath it. So that's why we need to flip all the grass over so the other side can dry. This drying process would have been a lot faster if we set it out in the sun, but as I said before, it is way too windy. Now that both sides of the grass are dry, it is time to test out our lawn cut hay on some of our cows to see if we didn't waste our time.
Come on, cows. Really like it.
It actually worked. Cutting your lawn grass for hay can actually be fed to your livestock. And it's easy to tell they love it. And may I remind you that this time of year is actually the perfect time to do this. Every time you mow the lawn, you can rake up all those grass clippings and store them in your barn until you have a nice, free, no-cost bunch of hay in your barn for the coming winter months. Don't you just love that word? Free? It just has this ring to it that is just so captivating. Free. Free. Free! Please check out some of my other videos and get out there and make yourself some free hay. And I'll see you guys next time on That's a Farm.